Hello my dear friends, welcome back. In last lecture, I teach you about an if statement. In if statement we see that if the statement if condition is true, then if statement will be executed, and if it not, the MATLAB will skip that part. But what if you want to execute or run some part of the program if the condition is false? For such type of condition, MATLAB have if-else statement, and in this lecture we are going to see how if-else statement will work. So let's begin. This is in a block diagram of an if-else statement. Here, if the condition of if-else statement is true, then the left hand side block will be executed, or you can say if call block will be executed, and if the condition is false, then else call block will be executed, or you can say right hand side block will be executed. So this is a path. If it is true, then it is right hand side. If it is false, it is left hand side path. And after completing the if-else statement, we continue program. Here I have one example for you. If you watch my all videos, I have written one program to get even number from 0 to 100. But there is one drawback of that program. If the starting number which I give in lower limit of a program is an odd number, they give all odd numbers, doesn't give any even numbers. So here I use if-else statement to overcome this drawback. So if the starting limit will be even number, then continue with that number. But if it not, then you go to else statement and it will increment that number by 1. So odd number become even number, and will be continue with that number. Let's check out in MATLAB. So here this program has the two inputs arguments. First is lower limit and second one is higher limit. So if, as I said before, if the lower limit is even number, then the if condition is true and it executes if statement part, and it gives numbers from lower limits. But if it is false, it means the lower limit which I give it is odd number, so it goes to else statement and it will increment the lower limit, so odd number become even number, and continue from that number. And we will check it here. Let's call our function. First I am going to give even numbers. Let's say 8 to 26, and here we go. Let's try a few more inputs. Now let's try a few odd numbers. You can see here I give one odd number in input argument, but then also MATLAB will give me only even numbers. And let's compare this both. Here I give 5. So here first I give even number, the 6, and here I give odd number, the 5, but the output of both argument will be same. Same. So in this lecture I teach you what is an if-else statement, how to use it. It is just similar to if statement. We just have to add another part in if statement, just else block. If you just remove else part, then it becomes if statement, and if you add else statement, then it becomes if-else statement. So here we end our session. See you next lecture. Goodbye.